Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional company, and right now, as well as owner of Google Partner Company. All was the same thing. So we provide digital marketing solutions, including Google Ads setup, audit management, and Shopify web development services, and Google Business Profile help. So in case if you need help in either of this domain, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now let's get back to the question I have, and the question is, hi Ali, I've been running Google Ads for 3 months now with different campaigns. I'm not having conversions, and I don't know if it's because of my budget, landing page, copy, keywords, or my ads are not just converting help. Okay, so for anyone who is trying to discuss the question with me, I really appreciate, but I recommend you to at least mention me your product, niche, target country, some details about their competitors, and something about your USP, so I can have a brief look on all of these things. However, just because it's just a generic information, however, I will try to be more precise and give you as much as data possible regarding this issue. Now, please try to understand there are a few things which needs to be addressed over here. Now, you're running Google Ads for 3 months now with different campaigns. I think that the first thing is, guys, we are paying money for each visitor to land on our website. So I think that my landing page experience should be 10 by 10. So there should be no compromise on it. I recommend people to focus on it. Now people say that my landing page is perfect. Everyone says that, wow, what's the problem with my landing page? Do the comparison. Now understand, every keyword has a different intent, and with every keyword intent, your landing page need to meet the 10 out of 10 expectations. So I recommend people to create multiple landing pages based on the keyword intent, which is why I do not recommend people to have thousands of keywords in one campaign. Rather, small campaigns, small keywords, and a similar landing pages to see what's working well. So I think that the landing page needs to be have a 10 by 10 experience. Now, if you ask me, I've been shown in my other videos as well regarding my landing pages. However, if landing pages I'm going to show you over here, some of the landing pages, if I'm going to show you, you may like it. Now this landing page, this is more like a product page, but you can see over here what catches my interest is the image, is the reviews, the pricing, free shipping, the cutting, the numbers plays a huge role. So kind of things like these attracts me. And I also recommend people to have newsletters so that people can follow. Now this is another landing page you can see over here, which actually takes my heart. You can see over here 24 by 7. First of all, look, if you look around on the landing page, number, logo, headline, attracting, the words play a huge role. So hire a copywriter. We can all do all the stuff in case if you want us to do the landing page development. However, I'm just giving you an example. Say $50 now, fixed price. You can see over here, work now. You can see over here the other things over here as well. Then the image, certified electrician in Sydney. Why choose us? Some authority, some reviews, location. So all of these things plays a huge role. So my first opinion is to make your Google Ads converting without even looking around is make your landing page experience 10 by 10. Second is work on your analytics. Now analytics is how we're going to observe what's kind of people are converting for. So install heat map, install anti-fraud click detector. We do all of this stuff for our client as well, but in case if you are not hiring and you are going to do on your own, you can do all of this stuff as well. So work around this. Go for analytics, try to install heat map, try to install anti-fraud clicks so you can verify each and every click and reduce the competitors clicking fake clicks and see where people are converting on your website. So when all of these things are done, now moving on to the ads optimization. I think that the ads optimization also plays a role over here. So if this is a normal ad, now this is a tool which can show you how if you can preview your ads over here. Now this is a simple ad, but what if I add different ad extensions to it? So I'm going to add different extensions. So I'm going to show you how it's going to be seen over here. Now see around this ad, how attractive and amazing this ad from this basic ad. So try to focus on adding ad assets to your ad to make your ad more authoritative, and it's going to win the heart. Now coming on to the part of keywords, work on search terms, plays a crucial role. Work on your timings, location, creating small sets. See when people are converting well, when you're getting more data, look for your search terms, see the timings, locations, and get the more out of it. Also, having a strong eye on your competitors, their ads, their keywords, their landing page, and everything. You can use a tool like Spyfoo. We are using Spyfoo also, but you can use any aspect convenience. However, if you follow all of these things, I am definitely sure that you are going to fix your Google Ads campaign. But in case if you need help in fixing your Google Ads campaign, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you in sorting out all of the issues on your Google Ads campaign. So in case if you need our help, you can hire us through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Let's fix your Google Ads campaign. However, we provide other services as well. Again, you can check out in the description of this video for other services. Take care and bye-bye.